Yesterday afternoon, a robbery occurred at City Bank. Thieves took all the money kept in the safe.
Oh no! I need my own coin bank.
How to build a coin bank box. Step 1. Install the chain conveyor. Add the gears. Add the frames. Add the chain conveyor. Step 2. Assemble. Add the gears. The coin will be put in here. Coin in. And will be ejected here. Coin out. Connect to the battery. Testing. The conveyor belt starts running. The box works perfectly. Coins.
Oh! I can keep my money safe now. That's a lot of money.
Place the coin on the conveyor belt. The coin is carried inside.
Let's put more coin. Yeah, look again. I want to add more. And more. All my money is safe.
That night,
You fool! Andy!
Wow!
This money is mine!
I'm rich now.
Ah, there's a new game. Come on, Mr. Hand. It's too small to play. Let's build a larger arcade machine. Okay. It's so easy to win. Oh. Let's fight again. Okay. One more. You lose.
Supermarket.
There are so many types of snacks. Could I please pay?
It costs $2. Perhaps it's $3. Oh, I get it wrong. Oh, I forgot the price of this. It might be $5 or $6. Oh. So no, it's broken.
Make a new cash register quickly.
How to build the cash register machine. Step 1. Build the cash tray. The cash tray. Step 2. Build the barcode scanner. Tomato ketchup, yellow mustard. Step 3. Build the conveyor belt. Testing. Step 4. Complete assembly. 1 cash tray, 2 barcode scanner, 3 conveyor belts. Redecorate supermarket. Add the hamburger, taco, choco cake, and ice cream to the shelves. Cash register machine. The merchandise shelves.
I'd like to pay, please.
Please place your items on the conveyor belt. Yellow mustard. The barcode scanner. $50. Spinach. 2. $40. Your bill totals $90.
Thank you.
See you again. The cash tray.
It's a beautiful new display counter.
Burger. Taco. It's really convenient.
Thank you, I just fixed it.
Total $200.
A few moments later.
Fantastic! All stock is cleared. Lego prison.
It's mealtime now.
Wow!
The dish tastes really good.
No!
Help me, help me. There's a prisoner poisoned.
I have to investigate this.
Hot dog factory.
Is this the factory that supplies food to the prison? All the ingredients for hot dogs are prepared.
Orbeez. Pork mixed with Orbeez. How to build the mill machine. Step 1. Build the frame. Step 2. Build the mill. Step 3. Build the funnels. The funnels. Step 4. Complete assembly. Testing. Snacks. Noodles.
Let's start. How do they make sausages like that?
No one can detect that the ingredients have been changed.
It's really delicious.
Damn it, did you change the ingredients?
You have been arrested.
Run away.
Don't arrest me.
Stop running.
You can't escape. Surrender quickly. I catch you up.
Ah,
Hand over.
Oh no, I don't want to go to jail.
No way to escape.
Would you like some ice cream?
You look so ugly. Don't talk to me.
Go home, kid.
You're gonna regret that.
Welcome to the makeover transformation. Here you change yourself in a spectacular way. Will there be any surprises? Let's start.
Hi.
You, fashion disaster. Go away.
No, don't come closer. Again.
Hey, beauty.
This stupid machine. I want to transform.
You are sorted.
Go to hell! Let me out!
This is the last chance. Oh my god, come on. Number 7777.
Huh? No! No!
Help, no, give me.
I'm rich.
I have the golden suit.
Huh?
Poor guy.